Philippines is the third most disaster-prone country according to the World Disaster Report on year 2012. An average of 20 typhoons per year enters the Philippine area of responsibility. These typhoons cause the occurrence of road floods and traffic, which also affects the economic growth of our country. When uncertainty comes to a driver if its vehicle is passable or not, then the worst scenario may happen on a flooded road. For example, if the public utility bus stuck up, it may bring a large traffic that may delay the delivery of goods and services, plus, students and employees will be stranded for a long period of time. These are some of the effects of a typhoon that causes floods on a road. Our recent research shows that no existing flood sensors are made to study the behavior of water on flooded roads in the Philippines. That is why we, the proponents, turned into an idea to create a prototype that senses water level on a flooded road, and make its data available over the internet through the use of web and mobile application, plus SMS-based service. The purpose of this study is to bring enhancement to transportation, people preparedness, education on time of disaster, and bring economic advantage for the country as well. Our target market are local government agencies, transport group, private institutions, and the general public. Our road flood sensor and system can be designed to be used privately or publicly. Now, let's talk about how our system works. Our prototype is composed of battery charging circuit and power supply, Arduino, GSM GPRS module, battery bank, and an ultrasonic sensor. Our computation to get flood water level includes the ping distance of the ultrasonic sensor. To get the ping distance, we must get the time interval between the transmitted sound and its echo, multiplied to the speed of sound divided by 2. But, these computations are already defined in the Arduino function library codes. What we only need is the height of sensor with respect to the floor during installation. Our ultrasonic sensor is capable to sense objects with the maximum height of 3 to 3.5 meters. This sensor is upgradable and depends on the needs of the unit owner. When both the ping distance and sensor's height are defined, we can measure the flood water level by subtracting ping distance to the sensor's height. For water level data reporting, every 2 seconds, the Arduino gets one sample of detected ping distance to be saved in an array. After getting a total of 9 samples, or equivalent to 18 seconds, the Arduino will analyze the array's mode or its median after sorting all the samples. It then checks the previous water level detection. For example, if its previous detection is 10 inches, it already expects 9 or 11, meaning 1 inch is the difference for its minimum and maximum expected next detection. If it satisfies either of the two, the data is ready for transmission using SMS. But, if there is an abrupt change less than or greater than the expected min and max, respectively, then it will give a delay of 30 seconds to analyze the most stable new flood level detection available for flood update. When the flood sensor has a new flood detection for update, it will send the data value through SMS using the GSM GPRS module and the Globe Labs API. If the Globe Labs API receives SMS from a unit sensor, the SMS text will be sent to the road flood PH server through the internet and its uniform resource identifier. When the road flood PH server receives message, it will analyze the SMS text and will request to Globe Labs API to text the unit sensor of a resend command to get the latest update. Then, after the unit sensor receives the resend command, it will send the latest flood level detection. If the server receives the same data, it will update the database, and all the viewers of the web and mobile application will be updated, including the SMS and Facebook page subscribers. Else, SMS text of unit sensor is disregarded but saved in the temporary location in the database. Redundancy is done to make sure of the sensor's integrity in data analysis before saving new flood detection to database. to subscribe with the Road Flood PH SMS service for free. Text info to 215835567 and follow the rest of SMS instructions. Or you may want to visit our website to view the latest update of Road Flood PH or to download our mobile application. Just go to www.roadflood.ph. Thank you.